Gotta work. Gotta work. Gotta work. Gotta work, work, work.
Hi, my name's Lee and this is 𝘾𝙚𝙧𝙚 and we're from 𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙚 and this is our new Toyota Husky.
I don't really know. Gotta work. But I'm a brow fingers.
The Huskies, they're great for our business.
What to do to make a home.
We found them very reliable, strong, tough in all conditions. The controls are set out in a real basic, simple way, which we find the safest way to give to our clients.
I wanna be free. Gotta work, work.
They're reliable, so it's less maintenance for us, less downtime.
Work, work till my life is gone.
We've found dealing with the Toyota team quite easy. Quite a good service team, pretty responsive, mobile, so they can come to our factory and service our gear, so there's less downtime.
Go home. Working hard, getting up at 3.
I think my favourite thing is just the comfort inside. Based on the reliability and the strength that these Huskies bring to our company, they do provide us with a more profitable business. The safety of the machine, the quality of the machine, I couldn't see any other machine in my business.
Gotta work, work.